Si Congressman Benny Abante inakusahan si Senator Trillanes na unpatriotic.
Trillanes if he is working for the ICC. Are you working for the ICC, Mr. Chair?
Hindi po,
You are not.
hindi po, Mr. Chairman.
But you are connected with the ICC.
Opo, by virtue of being the first
So,
to...
Mr. Chair,
Hindi na pinatapos ang
this
paliwanag.
man who used to be a part of the armed forces that should be a patriot in this country has been conniving with the ICC. We would like to have a balance here. Hindi po yung unfair tayo. Hindi natin dito inaakusahan ang sinumang personalidad. Issues. Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa ating former president,
Para makapag-grandstanding sa harap ni Duterte ay siniraan niya si former Senator Trillanes. Kawawa naman. Ang taong ito ang gumawa ng paraan para hindi magkagira ang Pilipinas noong araw at China. Nainggit si Enrile, pininta raw ang West Philippine Sea. Ngayon naman,
has been conniving with the ICC.
foul, out of order. Please follow my Facebook page mga Kwento ni Tio Paeng. Comment, like, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng. Thank you and have a nice day.